Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to stop a dog from growling when playing. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to stop a dog from growling when playing is k9etiquettetraning.com. Specifically the page titled "How Do I Train My Dog to Stop Barking or Growling After?" Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site dogcare.dailypuppy.com, especially the page "How to Get a Dog to Stop Biting and Growling Dog Care." Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see dogcare.dailypuppy.com. The web page "How to Stop a Dog from Growling when Playing Dog Care." This is the link.